Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get compensation for a delayed flight on British Airways. So they have this help section here, and there's different types of compensation. So if it's just a delayed flight, you just come here, and first you go ahead and check your status of your flight and see if it's actually eligible. So you just come and click on this, and there's also cancel flights, things like that. Each one has its own section, its own form to go ahead and fill. Okay, for example, this one right here is just for the delay one, and you can go ahead and read everything right here. Okay, you can find more information as well on this. But let's say you want a refund, so you just come and click here on the contact us page. Okay, and there'll be different sections here. What I need you to do is to look for this one. This has a form right here. For example, manage my booking. Okay, so you just log in, go to your booking reference, the name of your passenger, find your booking, and then what you do is you come on this section. So right here, if I click on contact and frequently asked questions page, you come here for the refunds for flight. This is their telephone number, okay? And it's available daily from 6 to 8 p.m. So 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. it's available. And remember, these calls are actually charged at local rates. So you have to call them and initiate a refund from there. Okay? They only have English options though. So just keep that in mind. By the way, that is UK time that I told you about, right? And it's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.